Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Polar Flow application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the settings on our iPhone, and we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the Polar Flow application to send the notifications to our watch. So once you open the settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here in the Bluetooth menu you should see the list of my devices. On this list you should see your Polar Ignite 2. Tap on the info icon next to it, and right here you should see the option called Share System Notifications, I believe. As you can see, we don't have this option. If you're missing this option right here, close the settings for now, open the Polar Flow application. In the app, tap on More button, then tap on Devices. Here you should see your Polar Ignite 2. Now scroll down, find the phone notifications option. It's right here. Tap on the switch next to option to enable it. Then go back. And at some point we should see the pop-up about the notifications. Maybe let's wait until the watch is done syncing with the iPhone. And here we have it. Here we have the pop-up. Tap on Allow. And now we can go back to settings. Open the settings. Bluetooth. Polar Ignite. And here we have the Share System Notifications option. Make sure that this option is enabled. Once you do, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Polar Flow application on the list. Right here, tap on it, and make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings, you can go back to the app, tap on Devices, and make sure that the phone notifications are enabled. Once they are, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we will see. As you can see, we got the message on our iPhone and we got it on our watch. You can swipe up on the main screen to see the notifications, and here we have it. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.